Alam mo, sa konting lumalabas na movies nowadays, bihira dumating yung magandang script. So when that script came on my table, binasa ko, ganda na story ito. Ang sabi nila, padadala po namin kayo ng second revision. And when I read, siguro mas maganda pa yung second revision. Tamang-tama, medyo magulo sa Congress. That gave me the opportunity to say yes to the movie. And medyo sabi ko sa Congress ko, nagpaalam ako na gawin ko muna to habang nagkakagulo kayo dyan. So, I came out with a good project, which is Salvage Land. My first movie, yung starring movie ko doon with Maricel and William Soriano. Maricel Soriano and William Martinez, Inday Bote. When I had the time to make movies, I was able to act it out well. I was able to choose good roles and wonderful scripts. Yeah, I want them to know that Richard Gomez, during his time, was a good actor. It has been part of my life, no? Ever since I entered show business. And it's the same thing also when you enter politics. Kaya lang, mas bastos yung tao sa politics. Yung grabe sila, grabe yung fake news, grabe magsinungaling, grabe mag-create ng stories. Yeah. But you just have to be strong. Eventually, kung wala kang ginawang pagkakamali, the truth will always come out. I've always been very passionate about improving the lives of people, keeping them safe, making policies on anti-drugs, and promoting sports. If they want to serve the public, they really have to learn. They have to learn how government is managed, how it's being run. They have to understand how the whole government system works. Then it becomes easy for them to do what they want to do when they are in government service.